Okay, so today we are at Marner level crossing on the Carpety line. We have here original Griswold barriers with the original light mountings that have been retrofitted with LEDs. Western Cullen Hayes E-Bells, which are a replacement. This crossing has had Western Cullen Hayes E-Bells for a very long time, as long as I can remember it. And yeah, and that's all we have here, just one set of lights in each direction. Relatively simple crossing. This little green shed here houses the logic and the controllers for the crossing, and I know that because I've seen maintenance people working on it. So with that out of the way, let's wait for the train. Okay, those E-Bells have definitely been replaced at some point. They're not the same Western Cullen Hayes E-Bells it always used to have. Different speed, for one thing. And that's it now, because I'm out of battery.